In this short and straightforward video, I am going to teach you how to install Next.js in 2024. In order to save your time, I've decided to push the tips and tricks towards the end of the video so that it can be entirely your choice to watch them. Without wasting time, let's just jump straight into it. I've got already Visual Studio Code open. Let me just quickly show you in my Windows Explorer how the folder looks like. So this is how the folder looks like. I just have got two files. As you can see here, these are the two files. The next step, we must just go to the Vercel website and then copy and paste this command. And then we paste this command. Maybe you might ask, how did we get here in this command line interface in Visual Studio Code? You go to Terminal, and then you can just click New Terminal. As you can see, I've got another terminal open. If I want to close the old terminal, I can go here and click Delete and then click Delete. So I can just paste again the command in this new terminal, and let's hit Enter. As you can see, now we are presented with the question. Let's just click Y, Enter. What is the name of your project? This is the name of your application. In our case, I am going to create a React series. So let's just type React hooks. Most importantly, please don't include capital letters in your project name. Enter. Would you like to use TypeScript? Yes, we want to use TypeScript. ESLint? Yes. Tailwind CSS? Yes. Source directory? No. App router? Yes. Input alias? No. As you can see, guys, it's that simple. Since this process is going to take some time, I am going to pause the video so that I can save you some time. I will come back when this process is finished. Okay guys, we are back. As you can see, we have just installed or finished creating a Next.js app, but there are some errors. Okay, things like these are common. These were just network errors. Maybe my internet was slow. Now let's go to the tips and tricks section. The first thing that I would like to share with you is that it is common to want to memorize these commands. There is no need for you to memorize these commands. Why I don't encourage somebody to want to memorize these commands? Simply because a tech stack, it's a collection of layers of different technologies. These layers are independent, but they are linked with each other. Maybe one is built on top of each other. Let's just make a practical example. We've got React.js that is built on top of Node.js. And then we've got Next.js that is built on top of React.js. As you can see, these are independent technologies, but they are integrated. What does this mean? This means that if one technology updates or it has got a major change, that will cause another change in a different technology. Maybe because of the latest version of Node.js, maybe Next.js might change this command, okay, to a different form. For instance, instead of npx, it might be npm, just for an example. So there is no need for you to memorize these commands. The best you can do, if you want to create a Next.js app, go to the Next.js website. If you want to create a React app, always go to their website so that you can get the updated commands. I'm Matthew Msingati, the designer and developer from Coded Design. Don't forget to code badly with pride. That's where it starts. See you on the next one.